Hi guys, hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to IC Market webinars. Alright, shall we just wait for a few minutes? Let's just say 1 minute. I will start the session. Yes, good morning, Nick. Okay, you're asking for Aussie dollars. Okay, alright, I just changed I think the timing. I think the person who scheduled the webinar, they scheduled the timing wrongly. So from like October onward, we're going to start at 5 a.m. GMT plus 8. Okay, because of the daylight saving. Okay, Aussie and DXY. Alright, so shall we just begin our session? Alright, again guys, before I start the webinar, there were another here at 7 hours. Sure, Chris said GBUSD. Alright, okay, shall we just begin our session then? Okay, and before I start the webinar, disclaimer first. Alright, the information provided in this webinar is for educational and information purposes only, and should not be considered as financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any financial instrument or engage in any trading strategies. Okay, and introduce your host today. My name is Peggy. I'm investment analyst and a prop trader. Alright, so I think by now some of you guys already know me. I do the pre-market for IC market, right? And I also do education on the Tuesday. Okay, all right, so just a quick look on Forex Factory. Any news that we need to take note of? Okay, so the time zone you just change according where you live, but I'm based in Singapore, so right now at 5 it's a 5 a.m. Okay, let me just change to Sydney. Sydney is GMT plus 10 plus 11. Okay, there's no news. All right, and of course I think this week we're gonna have the NFP, but they still put the tentative, so we don't know when due to the US shutdown. October 13, October 14 we have no news. I think today is a bank holiday as well. Okay, the bank holiday for the US, for the Japan, for the Canada, so I think we may not see the move. All right, October 15, 3:20 a.m. we have Powell speak, and for the GBP at 4 a.m. we have Bank of England. October 16, so we have unemployment change for the Aussie dollars and GDP, and another one NFP. All right, we don't know when. And October 17 we have the Bank of Canada as well. So this high impact news coming up. Like I just mentioned, we may not see the market move today because last Friday there's quite a big move as well. Usually whenever there's a big move, the next day it tends to be like quiet or sideways, but we're gonna see. All right, Okay, shall we just do the XY first, and I'm gonna do OC and GBP. Okay, I'm gonna look on a higher time frame. The OR momentum from like here, I'm still say bearish. Okay, the bearish. I'm gonna say bearish move, and this gonna be the support level. Alright, you can see exact at the Fibonacci extension, right? And you also can see that slightly here we have the demand who give me the heart shape. Okay, you see there we also have demand zone, right? So for the higher time frame, first resistance, this is gonna be the first support. Okay, basically I think on a higher time frame still say bearish. Okay, I'm gonna do weekly. Okay, you're gonna look at it closely. Weekly was okay. Weekly time frame, I would say it was sideways, right? This was sideways. Okay, now it has breakout of the ranging because the body is close above the box. It's close above $98, let's just say. Okay, you can see that if you were to zoom in to weekly, they also have the what is this, our bearish OB, right? This is bearish OB. Okay, you see that, right? I'm gonna draw from the body bearish OB, or it's closing with bearish engulfing candle. We would say that this also become your support level for the weekly time frame. Now we zoom into the D1, right? For the D1 time frame, for first resistance, it's gonna be your second resistance for the D1, and the first is gonna be here for the D1 time frame. Here could be the first support level, right? And this is second support, right? Do you see that? And here you also would see price is in the, I would say the channel. Which channel? They're gonna find out here, and maybe we also have another OB or supply zone here. So this is gonna be your first resistance. This is gonna be your second resistance in the D1 time frame. Okay, it could be here, or I would look, and the eyes I might be falling to. I'm gonna make it slightly here, right? 23.6%, somewhere around here 38.2%. So either I'm gonna zoom in to H4. Okay, in H4 time frame, I'm gonna adjust back to this level at the ranging. This is the ranging box for the weekly. Okay, and we also see there is a bullish OB here, or demand zone, whatever you want to call. Okay, here this level. And okay, and the thing is, if price break below the first support, I think they might all the way down to the second support to close the gap, but I don't know when. You take note of this. Okay, you take note of this as well. Hey Clinton, hey Andrews, I nice to see you. You look here. All right, so if they close below I don't know when they're going to come and close the gap. They will close, but I don't know when. You need to take note of this. For the if you are day trade, take note of this. If the market open, I don't know whether they're gonna bounce and then continue the first resistance first. Either bounce and go to the resistance, and we have the upper channel, and then maybe break or maybe pull back or come to close the gap, or they just all the way down here, bro, maybe pull back. Okay, again we have the bearish OB here. If price did not respect, okay, maybe if they close below, from the first support become your resistance, and this one is gonna be your breaker box. Okay, breaker box is a fail OB. Okay, so you just take note of that. Either if they not respect, break below, pull back, you can sell. Resistance become resistance, and it's gonna be a breaker box. But now it's gonna, I'm gonna put the bullish OB first, somewhere here. Okay, take note of the gap. Second support gap here, OB is already worked. Zoom in to see, right? This was the bullish OB. Price already went in the box, so this one you cannot identify it's your bearish bullish OB anymore because it's already worked. I mean, you can identify, but you cannot trade and you say that this is a OB is already taken, right? You can see that the wick, we're not gonna trade if price went in again. Okay, let's look at the Aussie dollars. Because we have a news coming up, which is on Wednesday, right? It is Wednesday for the Powell speak, so take note of that. Okay, right, look at Aussie dollars. Let me put the watermark on a higher time frame. Look at monthly time frame. Okay, you're gonna look here. I would say still bearish move, right? Price will make the higher high, higher low. Whenever if price can, you know, break above this resistance level, and then I would say that it's gonna be the bullish move. We're gonna do top down analysis. You can see this is the OB. Okay, and price will make the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, right? You can see that this what is like. Then here you're gonna do like this is what the it was triangle first, right? Before it break below here. Okay, I'm gonna do this OB weekly, and this is the first resistance. Okay, whenever price go back here again, you're not gonna sell. If you want to sell, you wait for confirmation, because usually for the smart money, this one is gonna be their liquidity. So it is gonna be the liquidity, meaning they will go to the OB here, point of interest. It's just you must go. You are Aussie, okay, you will go to here. This one gonna be there. Of course, this one is the resistance for smart money. This one is gonna turn to be liquidity level. You can sell at the resistance, but if you don't see confirmation, then you don't sell. All right. D1 time frame for the Aussie. I would say this is the first resistance. RSI is about 34. I think it's very right, at least 50. If they can break, okay, if they are going to continue to go belly, usually the RSI is stopped at level 50 and then goes to be somewhere around here and then falling. Second, see here. Okay, the support level I'm gonna put here, but then I'm gonna highlight maybe the box, the zone somewhere around here. We'll go to H4, right? I will say this. I will adjust for time frame. Just gonna refer to this over here, first support. Okay, there's a reason why there's a bulb from here, right? If you to look to the left, you will see the OB here. So this is gonna be the first support for the, right? You see that this is gonna be the, I'm gonna refer this as your first support, and this one is gonna be your second support. Okay guys, so basically I'll do top-down analysis and I'm gonna highlight the key level on H4. So basically H4 meaning that this is gonna be the day trade. Okay, this is gonna be the second support level. So I do top-down analysis so you can like see, okay, at least the direction. Okay, you're gonna look here. This is the bullish channel. I'm gonna do here, but some of you guys, I know that we're gonna draw from like from starting from here, right? Like you're gonna start from here or here, but because this move I don't like it, so I can start the channel maybe from this to this, meaning that okay, on the D1 they're gonna look like that, but there was a gap here, right? They might go to first resistance first and come back down again and could break first support and to find another OB as second support level on a higher time frame, which is the D1. Okay, you're gonna look like the zigzag. They might come back here, go here and come down, break and pull back. Okay, let me see. Okay, go to the current price. I think they stopped somewhere here. Okay, so this is a key level. Let me adjust the first. This is gonna be the second resistance. First resistance gonna adjust here. Move on to the GBP. GBPUSD. GBPUSD, I would say, okay, in the channel. This was the first resistance, is gonna be here. The RSI at 63. Okay, right, you zoom in, there's an OB here, that's why you see the rejection, right? There's an OB, bearish OB, see the rejection. This is gonna be the support level. That will be the for the monthly or for the weekly. Okay, weekly, this is gonna be the support level. Price might falling on the lower time frame to find the support before the rising. Follow the channel. But if you to look at market structure, guys, on the higher time frame, it's still barely trend. Okay, this is the high, the low, high, the low. Then this one is just what I'm ranging. Okay, they still make the lower low. This gonna be the lower high. Okay, on weekly. So if price can break above the first resistance here, and then you're gonna see the chain to upside, and then this is gonna be your chain of character here. Okay, weekly. Oof. On the D1 time frame, I'm gonna move out the channel. D1 first support here. This is the OB. Okay, price had falling because there's a OB in a monthly, right? And remove. We'll say that first resistance, there's a kind of the OB somewhere around here. Second resistance, first support, they're going to be like on the way down. Now they are doing like zigzag, right? They were doing the zigzag. Okay, let's look at H4. There's a supply zone here. That's why price is falling. So I would identify based on this. This is the first resistance. This is gonna be the second resistance level. This is gonna be the first, supported by the another OB here. This second, first we're gonna refer to this. Okay, this is a H4 time frame. Gonna draw from this 50% and 78.6%. Okay, let me go to H1 and have a closer look. Right, if you see that. So for the H1 time frame, your first support here, second support you're gonna be here, meaning that within our OB, okay, in this is the OB. OB, right? A, why there is not? Oh, it's here. This is the OB in H4. Okay, when you zoom in OB, you also have another demand zone within the OB, meaning that whenever you see the OB here, you need to wait for the confirmation, or you can wait for price to come to this another demand within the OB, you can buy. Yeah, we're gonna do the BTC as well. Okay, so you take note of this level. GBP, EUR, Aussie, Okay, these are level, meaning that for the GBPUSD you can buy. At this level. Now GB falling, dollar gonna bounce from here. So if they're gonna bounce at the bearish or bullish OB, GBP still have the time, right? I mean the room to fall to the support level. We're talking about the correlation. Okay, EUR Aussie dollar. Break. Oh, okay, let's look on the higher time frame. I'm gonna highlight this for the resistance, refer to the body, and I'm gonna refer to the wick. That's gonna be the zones. Okay, you see that this was the flag. It looked like the flag, bullish flag. Okay, right, it's here. Okay, so based on the, we're gonna put the pole, the distance. I'm gonna put here to here, estimate, have breakout. For the monthly, it's gonna be there. Just the estimation is gonna be there based on the distance from the pole to here, breakout. Okay, you can see that this was the, either you say the trend line breakout, and for the monthly, right, price also have come to the demand, which you can look for the week here, breakout, pull back to the demand and rising. Okay, now let me go down to the lower time frame. Somewhere is over, almost overbought or hit the 70. I'm gonna remove this. Weekly time frame. Okay, zoom in to see. We have the OB here within the, sometimes you can't remember, right? You can say the weekly. Okay, D1 right, price, it seems like make the equal low or M pattern. This is a breakout of the neckline. Okay, for the D1, price come from the demand, and also in line with your support level. This is your support level. Okay, and you see the demand here. This is the first support for the D1. It's gonna be your second support. The first support for H4 is gonna be here. This is a second, right? Second, adjust this, remove this. What is the current price? Oh, here. Why was the gap? Let me remove the box. Okay, This one is what bullish move, break below, pull back, right? But remember, I think it's gonna, let me move the this, where the price, okay, here, okay, I'm gonna put here the first resistance, the current price right now. This is the second resistance. Alright, I'm gonna do the UT extension. That will be 127 extension. Okay, I would say this is a fair OB. Okay, this one we have, actually it's a not really fair OB, it's price already in the box. Okay, the first support I would say this, the zones. Okay, this is gonna be the zones. Okay, I'm gonna put this at the second support, and then another level gonna be here. But there's a gap here, right? There's a gap here. Okay, so I think this is gonna be my key level. BTC, I think BTC is bound from the H4 support level. It was a sideways. Okay, I say that buy zone. If you see confirmation, I think that will be here. And price go to extension. I don't know, this should be like last week or when, right? H4 time frame, it was ranging and price bound from that. Let me look for the monthly first. Still look for the sell entry though. The price still close below the 116K. I'm gonna draw the body. Okay, price is still close below. This is a ATH. ATH on where the line? You can't see. These are the ATH all-time highs there. Weekly, you can see this is the OB, right, for the weekly, right? Price went in, had rejection. This is a bullish OB. This is gonna be the support level for the weekly. You can see that D1 closing with the demand rising. ETH, okay, Ethereum. Okay, let's do the H4. Okay, based on H4 time frame, the 8.2% is gonna be if you want to draw, this is gonna be the zones. Right here. I'm going to refer to 38.2%. Second resistance gonna be here. It's gonna be first. The support I'm gonna put here, and below that we have the OB here. This is the second support. Okay, look at this. This is gonna be the key level. Slightly first, second resistance. This is gonna be the zones. All right. Okay. Ethereum. This one should be like last week. This should be in last week. Okay. Wait, last week? What happening in look at H4? Okay. First resistance, sell, break first support, go all the way to second support. This is gonna be the pullback resistance level. So we still valid, we still say we're gonna sell, right? Based on the higher time frame. Okay, let's do again. Top down analysis. This is the resistance, remember. This is, and price falling to the support level and have the rejection. And I say that I saw the, remember I said that I saw the divergence here versus the RSI. Okay, weekly, gonna remove. Price had rejected from the, this is our bullish OB. This is the resistance D1. Okay, so D1 time frame, right? Okay, price was ranging. I would say, no, actually, okay, let me, if ranging should be here, a break, it pull back to get the this level. Okay, so now assuming we have the fail OB. This is our, I'm gonna just put here is our the breaker box, and then also first resistance. This is our level 50. If they're gonna fall, they're gonna go here, right? If they not respect, meaning each go. If they want to continue, another zones is second resistance. I'm gonna put here, and you see that you have the another OB or supply zone here. Okay, that's gonna be the level. compute the price. Second support, first support here, over here, okay. The zones, this is going to be the zones. Second support. I think this one is 50%, slightly if we want to refer, that's going to be these zones. Okay, that's going to be the zone. Okay, let me go to the M15. Can we sell based on M15? Yes, you can. I see the confirmation. I see the divergence here. I see the price action, and okay, basically can sell. So, but where is your entry? You wait for price to pull slightly higher, and then you sell. Stop loss put above this swing high. Okay. All right. This is M15. We use the lower time frame to enter our entry. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the XAUUSD. Before that, I was okay. The overall momentum, we would say that it's still in the bullish move, right? This was on the higher time frame. If I just want to like fast count 1, 2, like get a wave, just a quick one, I just would say 1, 2, could be 3 here, maybe pull back here and continue to go 5, wave 5 on the monthly. We know that it's still on the bullish move, higher high, right? We will continue. For the lower time frame, it's still on the bullish move as well. It's breakout. Okay, D1. I'm gonna go for the D1 time frame. On the D1 time frame, we're gonna zoom in. Based on the breakout of the channel, this is a high, and breakout price has hit the take profit from the triangle. When you want the breakout, remember here, breakout and pullback is a D done. Okay, you can see the breakout and you can see the pullback. Of course, we know that this really like in the, you can see that really strong uptrend. Can we use the channel? Cannot. I'm not gonna use channel here. H4. We're gonna look for the structures, right? You can see that this is the BOS or big of structure. The BOS here, meaning price will make the higher high, higher low, higher high, and then price was in the I'm gonna move up. It was ranging, right? Remember, whenever I say you want to draw the box, it was ranging here from the body, and then this body price has breakout of the box, right? Breakout of the box, rising so strong, and now this was the zone. Where I get this zone from? I think I get this zone from the Fibonacci. Okay, so they do the all-time high here, somewhere around here. Okay, I will just put here second resistance right there. If I just want to count the I'm gonna remove here the remove. If I just want to count the elevate, right? 1, 2. This one could be 3, or could be pull back and continue to go 5, or on the higher time frame. Okay, this one could be wave 5 based on the 1, 2, 3. No. 3, 4, 5. Okay, because they would say that usually the triangle they're gonna be the wave 5 like zigzag, and wave 2 sideways. Okay, within wave 2 to wave 3 you can count in a wave like 1, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because they say that usually wave 4 is gonna be like like A, B, C, D, E. It's same like this, right? This is gonna be like either A, B, C, D, or from here to here A, B, C. This is like A, B, C, D, E, and then break up. Okay, wave 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, whenever you see the impulse move, which is this one, you also have always have the sub wave, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sub wave. You don't if you confuse, but never mind, I count the wave first. Please, when you done, give us YouTube channel, so we please when you are done, give us your YouTube channel so that we learn a lot from you. Oh, my YouTube channel, my own YouTube channel. Now right now you see nothing because I just hide my live video trading. Silly trader. Usually I will stream on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so it's here. Where is it? Somewhere around here. Okay, but let me go first. I will just show you guys again. Now, if this is gonna be the end of wave 3, and then we're gonna see the pullback. Okay, and then I would say this is gonna be like zigzag like A, B, C, meaning that okay, if they're gonna like a pullback here, right? This one gonna be like A, B, C, D. But of course price did not come go straight down. You might see kind of like, you know, pullback this and that. But let's just say, because I would say this is first resistance, which is price kind of, you know, have rejected there. We have supported by the 61.8% fib exact here. Okay, if this gonna be, they're gonna do like a wave 3 here, and then pull back gonna be wave 4, which is I'm gonna count from 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is gonna be another one. Wait, let me see. If I just want to count from from if you just want to count like that, okay. I'm not an expert about elevate, but if I want to count on my own, again guys, different people count wave differently, okay. You need to practice. I could be wrong, I tell you first. 61.8%, okay. 1 2 3. If I would say on the like 1 2 3 4, but this one cannot be, that's 1 2 3 4, could be 5 here, and then 5, then go 1 2, another 3 4 5, okay. Maybe 1 2 3 4, okay. Okay, let's just look here. All right, if this is going to be ABC, or if I'm gonna do the AB equal to CD pattern now, if I'm gonna do the AB equal to CD pattern, some of you guys may know, or some of you guys may not know. If I want to do like that, meaning that if B retrace 61.8%, BC extension, okay. If I'm gonna do based on this, A B equal to CD pattern, A B C D pattern, meaning that if C retrace 61.8%, B C extension is gonna be 161.8, meaning that if gonna, meaning that this gonna be, meaning that that is the next target, which is gonna be second support, which is price has, I delete this, okay. This one should be the zone for the resistance, price have broken, okay, meaning that this one is gonna be the second support, and that is be the zone, which is the extension. Okay, I'm zoom for H4, meaning that if price has broken to the first support, you're gonna see here you have the extension. No, what's this? Okay, from where? From here. Anyone confused? If price gonna go here, okay. If they break first, gonna pull back. They're gonna pull back. Continue. Okay. From the first from the first support is gonna be your resistance. Okay. If we're gonna do this, AB equal to CD pattern, meaning that I'm gonna write, right, this is gonna be A, B, C, and it's gonna be D. It's gonna look like that. If they're gonna raise back here, if they're not going to do the AB equal to CD pattern, okay, let me put first my first resistance, second resistance with ATH all time high. That will be the reason. I will say that price also had respect the channel. Why I say that this is gonna be either the wave 3 and wave 4, maybe a pull here. You would say that would be the channel, okay. Meaning I would say, okay, I will just want to start the count the wave from here as well. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, could be this with wave 4, and then continue. Okay, that will gonna be the 2 here. meaning that if I'm gonna count from here, okay, meaning that will have the 2, meaning if, okay, if price have respect here, meaning they're gonna do A, B equal to 3 pattern, they're gonna go at least here, or maybe go down here. You need to wait for the market open, okay, at this level. Or if they has break above first resistance, break above the ATH all-time high, meaning that they're gonna go to wave 5, and then we're gonna use the extension that would be 161.8. that would be somewhere around here. It's gonna be the next resistance level if they break the ATH, somewhere around this, meaning that if they break above this ATH, then it's gonna be here. We use the extension. So now we need to wait for price to either close or they, break, meaning that if they respect the first resistance, okay, if they respect here, they break the pullback, they're gonna break the trend line, the channel, first support, and go to the second support, and then do the A, B, C, D. Also, they're gonna make the 38.2% here. Where is my starting point? Okay, then 38.2%, meaning that that's gonna be wave 4 here. In the bigger picture, from this 1, 2, 3, 4, and then continue to go 5, because usually wave 4 will retrace 38.2% somewhere around here, then also in line with our support level. So you guys take notes of that, okay? Anybody confused about gold, guys? If you're going to use the channel or trend line, you will see that, okay, last Friday price had respect the trend line here, right? This is either you see the trend line, either you draw or whatever, somewhere here, gonna be here. If I want just to have a quick wave count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's gonna look like that. Just for here, you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bigger picture from here, whenever price have breakout of triangle in the D1, I'm gonna count from here. This one, right, I count wave 2, one of them, because of the retrace 61.8 of wave 1. You can see that this is 61.8%. Yeah. Yeah. But I have to tell you first, I'm not expert about yellow wave. I just know how to count. I could be wrong. Okay. Yeah, so I count at wave 2. And then if this is gonna be like go all the way wave 3, you see why wave 3 is so long. Within wave 3, you're gonna see that inside have a sub wave. If you wanna count 1, 2, should be 3, 4, and 5. It is gonna be okay. If we're gonna count in the impulsive wave, they're gonna have a sub wave, right? Between from this wave 3 you're gonna count the quick one. This one retrace how many percent? 61.8. Then within the impulsive move, I would say count 1, 2, should be either 3 here, 4 here, and then 5. Beneath 5 is gonna be ending here. Okay, yeah, it count like that. Okay, that makes sense. From wave 4 to wave 5 is a impulsive wave, right? You're gonna have the subwave which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see if I'm the correct one. Next week, for the next 2 weeks, for the pre-market, it's gonna be my colleague Woon Hong. Okay, guys, I'm gonna remove. Okay, so anybody want to request for anything? I think I already. I'm gonna just make it smaller. Okay. Now market open. Okay, market have open. You can see that it go up, meaning that okay, if they make a ATH, wait for the pullback, meaning they're gonna go to this level. Okay, you will see first. Usually when the market open on trade, because it's really volatile, you should wait. Okay, sometimes Asia section is very volatile. Now you might see the rejection, or you wait for H1 to close first. Okay, you wait for H1 to close. You look at H4, H1 have rejected. Okay, meaning that this is the zone for the resistance level, guys. Okay, you need to wait for them to close, or if you think that okay, I can take risk, you can sell here. First, second resistance, they have a OB here. Whenever you see the OB, you should wait for price to go in the OB and then you sell. Meaning if you sell now, you got stop loss. That is your second sell at the second resistance level. In H1, you might see that the bullish channel. Okay, right? If you sell you based on the resistance, you say I sell. We have the 61.8%, and then I will say that okay, if they respect, then it could be like ABCD pattern, meaning that it can come here if they break first support, right? And then they're gonna go to second, and then we have the extension. Then they're gonna be the AB equal to CD pattern, or if this AB equal to CD pattern one is correct, another one, if they respect here, then gonna be the ABC gonna be the ABC for the wave 4. Be A, B, C, D. Okay, now just wait for the market to do whatever they want in this resistance first. It break, you wait to sell at this second resistance. We have the OB somewhere here. It's quite big, right? So you need to wait for price to go in. Okay, let me go to the M15. Can we sell? Any confirmation? I see the extended divergence. I think you can, okay, you can sell. Stop loss, you put 40.26 like here, right? Based on M15, M5, I saw just now it went up, then I saw the divergence here. Okay, I could be wrong, don't trust me guys, you can wait. Okay, and just now let's say price all the way 24. If you really have a quick hand just now, you really earn how much? It's almost 100 pip, right? From the high and all the way now it's falling, it's almost 100 pip divergence. Okay, you may see why there's so many lines here. I really explain step by step just now, so don't get confused of those lines here. These are channel in the H1. Okay, let's go H1. So this is the setup for either today or this week. Okay, any question before I end the webinar, guys? All right, so take note of that. just now for scalping already done. If H1 closing with those kind of price action, okay, I think the next candle you can sell at the first resistance. Based on M15, just now we have a quick finger, we already sell. Price go to the resistance zone, okay, like this one in this box. Okay, I draw from this body and this this candle. This is the in the lower time frame, right? This is the resistance. Oh, sorry, this is the support level in the lower time frame. Pull back, gonna be the M15, right? Pull back, break of this boom, impulsive move, create the bearish OB here. That's why I draw the zones. Okay, if price broke, like break above or close, the body close above first resistance, you're gonna wait to sell at this level. For confirmation. Okay, I don't have Instagrams. Okay, I don't have, guys. Okay, that should be all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy my pre-market analysis. So for the next 2 weeks, please come and join my colleague. Okay, and then after that it's gonna be me. Maybe if you want to like join my session, usually I will just do the education on Tuesday. Okay, that's some of the topic, and then after that I'm gonna do the analysis after the webinars. Okay, so here price falling, so I think they might hold from this level. We're gonna see. Okay, for the M15, if you're gonna trade with the M15, if you want to sell, if you want to hold at this level, stop loss you don't need to put so far. I just put at 40.26. That's gonna be the stop loss. To take profit, you could aim for here first, or you can chip the stop loss, because in the lower time frame, price gonna rise. If they're gonna break the channel, come here. If they break, pull back, continue to complete the either ABC or AB equal to CD pattern. If AB equal to CD pattern, then I'm gonna have the wave 3 that completes wave 4. Okay, alright guys, that should be all for today. Again guys, I think I'm gonna end the streaming. I'm gonna see you guys again on Tuesday. Alright guys, bye for now. Take care guys, all the best. Okay, if you want to join my live stream section, usually I will do on Thursday and Friday. Okay, as my channel. Now you can't see anything because I hide the previous video. Okay, I don't leave it there. You will see nothing there, but I will live on Thursday and Friday for the live training. Okay, that should be all for today. Bye for now guys, take care, bye bye.